Happy day, children. I'm Jayarada here. Hope all of you are doing great. So, today, children, we are going to learn about subject verb agreement in grammar. So, let us see what are all the subtopics that we are going to cover in today's session. First one is what is subject verb agreement, and the second is I've given a small table that shows you the be form of verbs used for singular and plural nouns. And the third is few rules and regulations of how to use the subject verb agreement with examples. What is subject verb agreement? Subject verb agreement means the subject and the verb must come together in an agreement, or they both agree in each other, or must match in number. That is, if we have a singular subject, then we must use a singular verb. Example, the dog barks. Similarly, if we have a plural subject, then we must use a plural verb. Example, the dogs bark. I will give you two examples for the subject verb agreement. First one is when the subject is singular, the verb should be singular. Example, my brother is a scientist. In the above sentence, is said to be as the singular verb. So, my brother, subject is the singular, hence the be verb is used. That is, the singular verb is used here. And the next is when the subject is plural, the verb should be plural. Example, my sisters are scientists. In this sentence, are is said to be as a plural verb. See, my sisters is the subject and that is the plural form. Hence, we have used the be form of the verb are scientists. So, this is said to be as when the subject is plural, verb should be plural. Next, I have given a small tabular column that shows you the be form of verbs used with singular and plural nouns. See here the singular nouns I, you, he and she. And the plural nouns we, they, you. So, the be forms are used accordingly and few examples are given along. Now, let us see about the rules of subject verb agreement. Rule number 1. When two or more singular subjects are joined by the word and, they take a plural verb. For example, her mother and sister are in the bank. Can you see the word are is used here? That takes the plural verb. And the rule number 2. When two subjects are joined by or, they take a verb that agrees with the subject placed close to it. Example, Sam or Jack is the culprit. In this sentence, is said to be as the be form of the verb. Rule number 3. When two subjects are joined by or, either or, neither nor, the verb agrees with the subject placed closest to it. For example, neither the tiger nor the lions are in the zoo. And the rule number 4, the following words always takes a singular verb. So, the words are either, neither, each, every, everyone, someone, nobody. Example, everyone was silent. So, as I said, it always takes the singular verb. Was is said to be the be form of the singular verb. And rule number 5 is a few, many, several, both takes place a plural verb. For example, a few people are here for the concert. Can you see? I have written a few people and have used the plural verb are. And the last rule and the rule number 6 is collective nouns take a singular verb. For example, a swarm of bees is hovering over the flowers. So, the collective noun here is a swarm of bees. And this should always take the singular verb. That is added here. So, this is said to be as the rule number 6. So children, hope you all understood what is subject verb agreement and the rules and regulations that you have to follow while writing these sentences. Thank you so much for listening, children. Stay safe. Bye bye.